Hello from me, Kathleen Arola-Johnson, here at Creative Solace Studios. You are watching a 5-minute art tutorial where I have planned out the project ahead of time. I have another 5-minute series of videos in a different journal where I'm brainstorming the process as I'm going along. I have just finished the previous page in this book right here. It's not dry yet, so I'm going to be careful with it, but I liked the background stencil so much that I want to repeat that stencil on the facing page so it becomes a cohesive spread across the 2 pages. The 5 supplies that we will be using are glitter colored cardstock. You can substitute scrapbook paper or just paint the background. 1 or more random scrapbooking paper scraps, some heavy body acrylic paints, black and another color. I'll be using that with a stencil from Tim Holtz. Some Stickles glitter glue and a touch of white gesso. Altogether, I'm counting that as 5 supplies. So let's make a page that is friends with the page next to it. I'm starting by gluing down the background cardstock. And putting that into place. That's a nice, quick, easy way to make a pop of glitter. With this stencil, I'm putting it in fairly the same positioning as the page across from it. Using my finger to apply the heavy-bodied black acrylic paint. You can also use a sponge or a brush or a makeup applicator. And you can do this with other types of paint. I am choosing the heavy-bodied to get the 3-dimensional quality of it. I'm really working on texture in this book and in most of my artwork. I like playing with texture and feeling the feel of the art supplies when you look at the finished page. Carefully peeling the stencil up and looking at the nice boldness of it. Quickly playing with a piece of the scrapbook paper. I'm choosing this one with the torn edges and working it up in the corner here. For this side of the spread, I don't want to cover too much of the stencil, but I do want to put something to make it coordinate with the page across from it. And I'm going to leave it right there. Next, I am moving on. We're halfway done with our time. I'm moving on to the accent color of red. And again, I'm not doing too much of it, but I do want to bring in the color so it relates to the page before it. With the white, I had planned to do a little bit next to the red, similar to this over here, but I made that little black spot up here. So I'm just going to do that with the white gesso. And just the tiniest bit Also along this side. Yep. We have a minute and a half left. I am moving on to the stickles. This is a nice glitter glue because you can use it in dots or lines, or you can smear it out. Let's see, do I want to add one of the other colors or not? I'm gonna leave it at that. I wanted more of a plain graphic side to this side of our 2-page spread. Please join me for the other videos in this series and see what kind of tutorials I come up with in 5 minutes. Let me know in the comments below if you try them at home as well.